Okay, so we have a mortgage problem here. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So A here, what is your monthly payment? So I'm going to use the loan payment formula. And how much do I want to borrow? $120,000 times R. What's my rate? 5%. It's monthly. 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the 12 times. How many years are we doing this? 30 years. Okay, so I just used the loan payment formula that's in your book or on the formula sheet. So there it is. So let's go ahead and type it in on the calculator. So here's the calculator. 120,000 times 0.05 over 12 parenthesis divided by parenthesis 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus 0.05 over 12 parenthesis to the parenthesis negative 12 times 30 parenthesis parenthesis, because there's two. One here to end the power, one here to end the denominator. Right, so for this house, 644.19 when I round. So there's your monthly payment for the mortgage. Of course, this doesn't include interest and property taxes and all that. So B, how much did you pay in interest over the life of the loan? Well, I'm paying $644.19 a month, so that's 12 months a year, and I'm doing that for 30 years. Okay, so $644.19 times 12 times 30. That's $231,908.40. Right? So that's how much I paid, but the original loan was only for $120,000. So if I subtract $120,000 off of that, that means everything else was interest. So how much did I pay in interest? $111,908.40. So in this case, on this loan, I almost paid the same amount in interest as what my house was worth. So I almost had to pay twice what the house was worth just to be able to get it. C says, how much do you pay at closing? Well, the closing costs are $1,800 plus 2 points. Remember, your points are, not 100,000, it's 120. Your points are, you take your loan amount, every point is 1% of your mortgage amount or your loan amount. So if it's 2 points, it's 2%. Alright, so that's 1,800 plus, what's 2% of 120,000? 2,400. So let's see here, 1,800 plus 2,400 would be $4,200. So the day I sign my loan and I'm going to get my house, I need to pay $4,200 up front in closing costs, plus any down payments that you may have had. So a lot of things to consider when going into your house. Or when going into buying a house.